Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adnan, and here I want to do a presentation for my English assignment. So there will be two topics. First is malicious software, or we call it malware. There will be a definition, types of malware, and also the impact of malware. Second is hardware. There will be definition, input device, output device, and device with both functions. First is malware. What is the definition of malware? Malware is a software that designed that to cause harm or cause damage to your computer system, to your network or your server. And also, malware often used by cyber criminals to steal your data, to disrupt operation, and to gain unauthorized access to your system. There will be some types of malware. First is virus. Virus is a program that require a host file and then can spread to your computer system and cause harm to your computer system. Next is worm. Worm, unlike virus, worms doesn't need a host file, but it can spread to your network and cause harm to your network. And next is a Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a program or a software that show himself as a legitimate software, but it contains malicious code. Then, when it executed, it can cause harm to your computer system. And next is a ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts your file and locks your data, and then the cyber criminal will ask for a ransom to to undo your encrypted data or your locked files. Next is spyware. Spyware is a software that can monitor your activity and collect your data without your consent. So, what is the impact of malware? Malware has some impacts. First, malware can steal your sensitive information. Second of all, and the malware can cause stress, can slow down your computer performance, and also it can make your computer unusable. Third is spyware. Spyware can track user activity, expose personal information, while adware can lead to unwanted advertising. Last is worm and other malware can spread to your network and infected other device. So in conclusion, malware is a software that can cause harm on or cause damage to your computer system. And second, there is some types of malware. First is virus, worm, Trojan horse, ransomware, and spyware. Next is malware can cause some impact, some damage to your computer, such as data theft, privacy violation, system disruption, or network compromise. So the next topic is hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is a device that allow a computer to communicate with the user and the outside world. So there will be two types of hardware. First is input device that send data to the computer, and also output device that can receive data to the computer. But there is also a device that can do both. So first we talk about input device. There's some types or some example of input device like keyboard used to enter text and commands into a computer, and Second is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device used to navigate menus and select items on your computer. The third is joystick. Joystick is used to control movement and action in video game. Next, there will be a webcam that capture video footage like this for use in video conferencing and recording. The next is a microphone that convert sound waves into electrical signal for voice input. So next is output device. First is monitor that display visual information from the computer. Second is printer that can print or produce hard copies of the comment or image. The third is a speaker that can make output audio from your computer. Next is projector, which is display image or video into a screen, and there will be a plotter like to produce high precision drawing or graphic on paper. There are also a device with both function like touchscreen. It can display uh, display screen and also it can be touch and allowing user to interact with the device. Second is interactive whiteboard. Same like a touchscreen, it can display screen from your computer and also can uh, make some interaction with the computer with uh, with a whiteboard. So for the summary, hardware is the device that can allow us to interact with the computer or allow computer to interact with the user and the outside world. There are also many types of input device like keyboard, like mouse, joystick, webcam, and a microphone. And also there's some kinds of output device like monitor, printer, plotter, projector, and speaker. That's it. That's my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing great. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.